The wind sent funds flying yesterday from a city of Niagara Falls ATM.
It had to be like the scene of a movie. But what really happened to all that cash? Our Patrick Ryan has the details from Falls Police.
It was at this ATM right behind me where money went flying late in the morning yesterday, right here in the Cataract City. This Bank of America ATM is situated at 3rd and Main Streets here in the Falls. The Niagara Falls Police Superintendent tells me this unfolded around 11:30 a.m. According to a Niagara Falls Police case report, officers responded to a citizen call yesterday. An officer writes that he saw multiple people, including a Brinks guard, picking up money in the street and lot across from the ATM. The report says everyone there was helping the guard pick up money. The officer says the guard told police when he went to open the ATM, the wind began to blow the money from the machine all over the place. According to the report, the guard attempted to retrieve all the money he could, but the strong wind was carrying it everywhere. The report narrative detailed that the guard said some people had grabbed money and took off. The officer goes on to write, quote, "We did survey the area, retrieving as much money as we could," unquote. According to the report, the guard didn't know how much money was missing and wouldn't know until the bank audited the machine. We've yet to hear back from Bank of America. In a statement, Brinks said in part, quote, "In general and in the interest of the safety of our employees and others who may be affected on matters concerning law enforcement, we do not comment," unquote. Niagara Falls police do ask anyone with video surveillance to give them a call. Reporting in Niagara Falls, Patrick Ryan, News 4.